So today I'm thinking about to take you guys to the beach named Nai Thon Beach. This beach is in the north of Phuket. And yeah, let's see how it's gonna be, how it's gonna look, Nai Thon Beach on a rainy season in Phuket. Let me check how far. Uh, 1 second, 2 seconds, okay, 3, 5 seconds, okay, 10 seconds maybe. Okay, Nai Thon Beach, Phuket. So, focus please. There we go. Yeah, it is about 23 minutes, 23 kilometers. Alright, so now I try to set up my spot here. I got water and Rubik cube and snack. It is very quiet today, not many people. The beach is a little bit messy with the trash and stuff with the monsoon season, so yeah, but it still look wonderful here. I love it. It is so quiet and peaceful. So this Rubik cube, and let's see how long does it take. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna leave some of my stuff here with the red flag. Hopefully it's gonna be here when I come back. Now I am walking along the beach, just enjoy and relax and taking a photo and video. Oh my god, I think I already have a lot of photo and video. But it is so beautiful here. How can I not taking a photo? Look at that! Oh my god! That's so cute! So I left the beach and come to this restaurant. I've been here before and it is very good and very peaceful and very quiet. So here we are at the restaurant and cafe.
ขอบคุณค่ะอันนี้ก็เมนูไว้ยาววันออเดอร์ something
I order pad thai and cha yen yummy I love it so much and it is very cheap here so I gonna end our trip today here thank you so much for watching